Changing your GitHub account in VS Code on a Mac can be surprisingly annoying if you're not sure where to start. It's like getting locked out of your favorite coffee shop. Everything is familiar, but you still can't get in. First, let's check if VS Code is even synced to your existing GitHub account. Open your terminal. I just use Spotlight Search, Command Space, and type git-config-global user.name. This shows the current account linked. If the account showing up isn't the one you want, you'll need to update both the username and email. These are how Git keeps track of activities. Step 1. Type git-config-global user.name your new username and hit Enter. Now update the email. This is crucial because GitHub identifies commits based on the registered email. Type git-config-global user email, your new email at example.com. Boom. Now your credentials are updated for global settings. But here's where things get messy. If you've logged into GitHub through VS Code's GUI, that old account might still haunt you. To fix that, open VS Code and press Command-Shift-P to bring up the command palette. Search for Settings, Sync, Turn Off, and click it. This disconnects your existing synced GitHub account from VS Code. It's basically hitting the reset button for account-specific sync features. Next, you'll need to log in with the new account. Go back to the command palette and search for GitHub Sign In. Click it and follow the prompts in your browser. Make sure you log in with the right account this time. But the real headache? SSH keys. If you're using SSH for authentication, and let's be honest, you probably should be, you'll need to generate a new key for the new account. Use shkeygen trsa-496, see your new email at example.com to create it. Once generated, add the new SSH key to your GitHub account. Copy the key using pbcopy-ssh/rsa.pub and then paste it under Settings, SSH, and GPG keys in your GitHub account. This step saves hours of frustration later. To ensure the new key works, test it by typing ssh-t-git@github.com in the terminal. If you see a message like, "Hi, username, you've successfully authenticated. Congrats, you're golden." Pro tip, you might also need to clear old login data cached by the macOS keychain. Open Keychain, search github.com, and delete any outdated entries. This avoids strange conflicts down the road. Now restart VS Code and make one final attempt to push or pull changes. You'll know everything is set correctly if you stop seeing error messages about authentication. If there are issues, retrace your steps, especially SSH-related ones. Follow these steps, and you'll have switched accounts without throwing your Mac out the window. It seems like a tangled web at first, but really, it's a 10-minute task when broken down.